So look, if you're getting ready to start an LLC in Georgia, there's something you should hear up front. A lot of people end up making this process way more stressful than it needs to be. And honestly, once you start reading the Georgia requirements, you understand why. It feels like this list of legal tasks and documents you're somehow supposed to know how to complete. And that's when most people start feeling overwhelmed, because you've got the name search, the Georgia Articles of Organization, the registered agent requirement, the operating agreement, the EIN, and then Georgia adds the initial annual registration right off the bat. And you're sitting there thinking, why isn't this as simple as everyone says? So yeah, I completely understand the frustration. And that's exactly why I tell people, you don't have to tackle this alone. You don't need to spend hours decoding legal instructions or trying to piece everything together manually. A much easier option is using a formation service that guides you through each step and keeps everything organized. And here's the part most people never mention. After forming multiple LLCs in different states, there's one service that consistently made Georgia's process smoother and way less stressful, and that's Taylor Brands. They explain everything clearly, file your paperwork, keep you compliant, and prevent all the mistakes that slow people down. So yeah, if you want the easiest way to form a Georgia LLC without hiring a lawyer or losing your whole weekend to paperwork, use the Taylor Brands link in the description or pinned comment, because my link automatically applies the discount for you. Thanks for watching. I hope this made your Georgia LLC setup a lot easier. If it helped, drop a like and subscribe to support the channel. See you in the next video.